Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on GTech. So today I'm gonna be doing a Photoshop tutorial, and I'm your host, Sweden oppvp. Sorry about that. But anyways, so we are pretty much just gonna start the tutorial. So what you wanna do is create a new project, and you wanna pick 1280 pixels by 720. Now this is the resolution of a thumbnail, so I'm just gonna use that. And then you wanna you wanna have 72 in resolution. That's usually what I use, but you wanna go to create, and now you have Photoshop open. Cool. So what you start with is this white background, and that's actually what we're gonna have. But I'm actually not going to use the white background that's here right now because it has a lock on it and we can't move it and we can't really do anything with it. So what I want to do is create a new layer, delete this layer, take the brush tool, put it slightly out white, have a pretty big pixel brush, and do the hardness to 100. Just draw like this over the whole screen. And there you go, now you have your white background. So I don't really want to have exactly plain white, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down and select a dark color, like not exactly it's super dark, but a shade of dark. So what I want to do now is create a new layer. We're still going to use the brush tool. I'm going to put this to 1000 actually. Yeah, there we go. We're going to have the hardness to 0, I would almost say. Yeah, let's start with that. And let me just get out of there. Alright, cool. So what you want to do is zoom out with Alt and scroll wheel, and you just want to get some shadows into the corners like that. And when you got your shadows here, you just want to do opacity, put it down to something like, I think I'm gonna go with 20 in opacity. And you see it creates a little bit more fading effect, or a little shadow, I would say. So now what I'm gonna do is that for the triangles in the middle, I'm gonna press Control R, and now we get this. So I'm gonna press Alt, get out a line like this, put it in the middle, just let it snap. Yeah, there we go, here's the middle. And put a triangle here, that's the middle, and there we go. So now we have this. What I'm gonna use now is I'm gonna use the pen tool just to kind of make a triangle. Just click like that, click there, and you kind of want to guess where it's gonna be, and let's just go like that. Actually, no. Let's have this a little bit long out. You want to kind of get a good position for this, so it's like correct. I think that's close to correct. Maybe some pixels more in. Not really. Yeah, there we go. That's good enough. Let's make a selection. Make a selection. Press OK, and now you have this. What you want to do now is you want to get your brush tool, and you want to just like draw inside this. But wait 1 second, I cannot do it in that layer, so I'm gonna do it on another layer. and that triangle isn't really symmetrical. But we can fix that problem really easy by doing this. So we delete the half of the triangle, pretty much. Just do like that. And you get this part. You copy it and you do image, adjustments, no. Let's see. Image rotation, flip horizontal. Oh yeah, it flips everything, that sucks. So let's just create a new, I'm just gonna create a new project real fast like this, so I can drag one of these over here. And now I can probably flip this. So let's go to image, go to image rotation and flip horizontal, and there you go, you get this image back into this, and here you have your triangle. Now we can delete that, we can do that, Control E, we have a triangle. There we go. And what we're gonna use this for is pretty simple, or we're gonna use this to make the holes in the picture, kinda. It's kinda hard to explain, but don't worry about that. And let's drag this out of the picture, like that. So first of all, we want to have a triangle lining up to the middle, kinda. We'll make this kind of big, a little bit smaller, like that. There we go, that looks good. And there we're gonna put it. So from here, I'm just gonna use the auto selection tool, select the triangle, and I'm gonna go to this layer. I'm just gonna make a hole in it. So yeah, there we go, we got one hole, that's good. Go back to the triangle, do this, flip it, put it a bit like up to the side, kind of. Now select it again, and you want to do the same thing. Get in here, delete, there we go, and get back here. See, select this, transform it, did this. Now we actually want to have it like this though. Make it a bit smaller. Not too much smaller, but just a bit like that. Put it a bit down. Now guys, I'm just doing this by freestyle, so this triangle might not be super symmetrical, but that's fine by me. You can go ahead and search on Google for like an accurate triangle and just download it and use that, but I'm just gonna do my own method with this. So let's get back to this, delete, get back here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go like that, a bit smaller, have it there, I'll select that, go here, delete that, go back, and you wanna get this again, and you almost wanna do exactly the same thing, but you wanna make it a bit smaller, like that, and put it somewhere there. I'm just gonna move it a little bit like that, make a selection, go here, and delete that. And here we go, we have our holes, what you call it, in this picture. So what I want to do now is I want to create a gradient. So I'm gonna pick the gradient tool. I just need to find it real fast. Yeah, there we go, here it is. So I want to, let's see, I think the gradient I have right now could work out. So what I want to do is go like that. Now that was wrong. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry about that. Make it under this. Put it like that, and that looks pretty cool. So actually, we want to have it a bit more like that. I think that looks cool, and I would actually just use it as it is right now. But what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna have some pixel art into this. So I'm gonna open a file. I'm gonna search on pixel art assets. This is a PSD file. It's a download in the description for this. So what you want to do here is you want to take this, drag it over to your own picture. Now we have it here. Now don't worry about the background, that's fine. So you want to delete that background, and what you have here is all the buildings that we're gonna want to use. So let's see. Let me make this a bit transparent so we can see what we're actually doing. Yeah, alright. What I want is crane. No, I want crane 2. I want this to be up in the corner a bit like that. So that looks pretty cool. I like that. And let's see. Stone building. No, that's the wrong one. Wrong one. Not that one either. Not that one either. That one in this. Alright. Take this building. Just put it like, I guess I'm just gonna put it like kinda over here. Just gonna do a little bit of moving with it so it's not like in the corner here. So I'm just gonna do it like that. Now it's in the corner. Now this is all gonna look good in the picture, I promise you guys. What I want now, I think, is actually this one. So let's find that one. Brick building, brick building. Yeah, this one is. Select this. Put it maybe. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like here. I'm gonna want to stretch that a bit. Like that. That's not gonna look very good, isn't it? That's fine. What I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna see where it fits good. So there, I like it. What I wanna do now is I wanna copy this and I want to drag it down again. But I want it to be under the other brick building. So let's see, put it down there, and you gotta do some Photoshop or some moving to this. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna deselect the part that I don't want that sticks out, so it's not ugly. And now you can see that we actually have another window. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do the same thing. Move this down. Actually, yeah, there we go. Gonna have like that. Put this down on another layer. There we go. Now that looks fine, I think. I'm pretty sure I like that. Just gonna deselect this so we don't see that. That might be ugly. I'm gonna do the same thing with this picture, the big one. So what I'm gonna do is find the big building. Here it is. So copy this and wait, guys. I might have messed this up a little bit. Don't worry. I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna move it a little bit. Or actually, no. It's fine. It's fine. So let's get back to the big building. We have the copy of this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the top like that. Yeah, there we go. And now if we just move it down, we should get another building there. Okay, so let's get back into this. What we want now actually is we're gonna have one of these other buildings into this more. I'm trying to think of a good design that would actually look good to this. What I'm thinking of doing is, yeah, let's just take one of the buildings. Let's see. This could look pretty cool. I'm gonna have this, put it like that. Now this is where you wanna just create the city. So just add some buildings like this, and it would pretty much make a pretty cool city for you when it's just like doing its thing. I think I'm trying to find, yeah, there we go. This is what I was trying to find. I'm gonna put this like that. Actually, I'm gonna do a bit more like that. I'm gonna take the pipe and I'm gonna put that like that, but I'm gonna rescale it a bit so it goes a little bit bigger. Now that looks pretty neat, I think. I'm actually gonna make it a bit bigger so it fits in the size. One second, there we go. Make it a bit bigger like that. Move it, there we go, and I think this pretty much fits in. Yeah, there we go. That looks pretty good. Now if we go back to this layer and we make it full like that, you see we get a pretty cool city standing like that in like the sun. So that is pretty much what we're going for. What we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna like add some text to this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have this tool, the text tool. I'm gonna use this to add some text. Complete this layer. Get back to this layer. Have a text. Let's see. I'm gonna use. Let's see. Just want to get back to my fonts that I recently used. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dindin or Ddin because that's what I've used for our D-Tech logo. So that doesn't really look super good. I don't know why. Maybe we'll do that. That looks a bit pixelated. That's weird. I don't really like that. Well, I mean, I guess it's fine. It actually fits the design a bit. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna rescale this a bit bigger. I'm gonna try to get back, or I'm gonna try to have this holding this. If you understand, I wanna have the crane holding the G. It would look pretty cool, I think. I'll make this a bit smaller. Get it back on top of there. Yeah, there we go. That looks cool. I like that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy that so we have that file. But let's go back to this file. Press Ctrl G, and I'm just gonna make the logo real fast that we have. Kind of. The G. Yeah, there we go. Do that and do that. I think. Yeah, there we go. And let's see here. I just wanna make a thing like that. So now it looks pretty cool. Just want to delete this real fast. Yeah, there we go. And now we got the G. Let's go back to this. Edit this, and here I'm actually gonna have T and the H. So let's get back to the text tool. Do this. T. Alright, I understand why this went bad quality, but that's fine, that's fine. TH, alright. Have this a bit lower, like I would have this like that. I think that fits pretty good with the sign. Make it actually a bit bigger. So I'm gonna have that like that. Copy it out again so we can make another text. So I'm gonna make that a bit smaller. And here I'm gonna go ahead and get this text tool again, press E. And what you can kind of do is like create this like effect where it's like you can read the text, but it's like in the different triangles, which I really like. I think it really looks cool. Make this a bit smaller. Go down here so it fits in this like triangle. Here we go, and get the text tool again. Do that. Make it let's make it a bit smaller. Put a C. And there we go. Actually, that needs to be capital. Yeah. There we go. Now that looks pretty cool. I like this. The only thing that I don't like about this is that dot, so we're gonna have to delete that. Minimize or like rasterize the layer. Get this tool, just delete that pixel real fast, and there we go. I think that's it. Just gonna put it like there. Yeah, like it like there, and there we go. That's it. That's this design. You can do this yourself, pretty easy. It's gonna take a while, but that's fine. Now you can put whatever text you want, but I did it like that, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.